Expand. F of x is 3 minus x all cubed times 1 plus 1 over x squared, and check your answer by finding f of 1. Okay, so we know that from the binomial expansion that a plus b to the n is a to the n plus nc1a to the n minus 1 times b plus nc2a to the n minus 2 b squared, and carrying on until we get to b to the n. So we've got 3 minus x to the cubed. Now we could use Pascal's triangle, but we're going to use a binomial expansion. So it's 3 cubed plus 3c1 3 squared times minus x plus 3c2 3 minus x squared plus minus x cubed. So that gives you 27. 3c1 times 3 squared is 27, so that's going to be minus 27x. 3c2 is 3. 3 is 9. That's going to become plus x squared. So it's going to be plus 9x squared minus x cubed. So be careful to put anything negative into brackets. 1 plus 1 over x squared is going to be 1 squared plus 2c1 1 squared times 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. So it's going to give me 1 plus 2 times 1, so it's going to be 2 over x plus 1 over x squared. We have to do the product of the two. So it's going to be that expansion times that expansion. Right, now we do 27 times that bracket minus 27x times that bracket plus 9x squared times that bracket minus x cubed times that bracket. So expanding, be careful with signs, we're going to get 27 plus 54 over x plus 27 over x squared minus 27x minus 54, and the x's will cancel out, minus 27 over x. X over x squared becomes x, 1 over x, plus 9x squared plus 18x squared over x plus 18x plus 9x squared over x squared, which is plus 9, minus x cubed, and then minus x cubed, 2x cubed over x, which becomes minus 2x squared, minus x, because we're going to get x cubed over x squared. Collecting together like terms, we're going to get 27 over x squared. Collecting these two together, we're going to get plus 27 over x minus 18. That's 27 minus 54 plus 9 minus 10x. That we get from doing 18x minus x and minus 27x plus 7x squared. We get from 9x squared minus 2x squared minus x cubed. Right, we need to verify that's correct. So if we do left hand side, f of x is 3 minus x cubed times 1 over plus 1 over x squared. F of 1, so we replace x with 1. So we've got 3 minus 1 cubed, 1 plus 1 over 1 squared. So that becomes 2 cubed, and this becomes 2 squared, and that's 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. The right hand side is this. So replacing x with 1, we get f of 1, so we get 27 over 1 squared plus 27 over 1 minus 18 minus 10 times 1 plus 7 times 1 squared minus 1 cubed. That gives me 27 plus 27 minus 18 minus 10 plus 7 minus 1, which gives me 32. Because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, then we know that this is correct. So we verified our result. This has been a video to show you how to do the product of two binomial expansions and then verify the answer. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.